What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Type R, where it's finally broken in. It's the beginning of March in Wisconsin, so it's still barely above freezing. But the car's broken in. I just got an oil change done yesterday, and now I want to get the oil catch can. So before we go out and start having fun doing some pulls in the thing, figured I'd get the oil catch can on. So I went with the Radium catch can. I like Radium stuff. If you haven't seen the other video, I'll post that in the link below. But we're going to put the Radium catch can on. I have my rainbow unicorn bang, and we're going to bang this thing out. So sorry about the sound. I'm at my parents' garage and it is heated. So when that thing goes off, the sound kind of goes haywire. So of course, I printed off the installation instructions for this. You can get them on Radium's website. But of course, when I did that, I left them at work. So I just go to Radium's website and I will get them off there. Now, one thing I'm going to take care of first is the hose. You have to actually cut this to length. And I'm going to do that before I get too far into everything else. So I'm going to measure that up twice, cut once, and we'll go from there. So we got the bracket removed off the front of here. And then we got to loosen these clips for the fuel line to get this bracket off. The wiring loom is also loose to get back to the PVC hose, which you will be able to find it right here. The PVC valve, or at least part of it, is integrated into the actual valve cover and then goes down into the block. Now, the instructions tell you how to do these, but just so you know, this clip right here is the one that's got to come off, and basically right behind here is where you put the flathead screwdriver, push down and push out, and it should pop right out. And then after that, you've got the two 10mm bolts that are right back there that got to come out. So one thing I wish they would include with this kit, you know, other kits you get the hoses pre-cut, you get like OEM style connectors, and that's fine. I really like this kit. I don't mind that you have to cut the hoses. What I wish though is, if you're gonna spend $200 on this, that they would include some of the wrenches, the special wrenches you need to tighten down AM fittings like this. Because I'm about to tighten these down, and I know they're just going to get scratched with the wrenches I use. So I'm going to try and avoid that. But That's just one little nickel I have so far while installing this. Other than that, it's pretty easy. So luck would have it, wish I had a socket that fit that. So I kind of minimized the stress put on by a wrench on the nuts here. So that worked pretty good. The next step we'll have you do is put the hoses on the ends here. Basically, all you need to do is spray a little bit of lubricant on the pipe here, and then the hose should slide right on. I was a little concerned that without a hose clamp here, like one of these, it would pop off, but I can honestly tell you, it's not going anywhere. So, yeah, ready to go. Well, that's it. It wasn't in any sort of order like Radium has in their instructions. The instructions are great. I just like messing around with things. So pretty easy install. Honestly, if it wasn't for taking my time, this probably would have taken 45 minutes. It's a pretty easy install. As you can see, it's right in back there. Almost looks factory. If it weren't for the green anodized, you would probably think it was factory. I think if the Type R would make these red, I think that would look a-okay. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe, and there'll be more Type R content coming once it gets warmer.